Hi, I'm Saquea Adams. I am here in Negril, Jamaica at the I See My Baby She Deserve 2024 retreat. I have been blessed by this retreat immensely. So much stuff has been revealed that I have been secretly praying about at this retreat, and it has just been amazing and overwhelming to have this experience for the first time being international, first time flying, just to come and actually hear the word of the Lord that was meant for me. I can't even begin to tell you all of the amazing things that I have learned. The speakers have been great. The word has been coming forth. The spirit has been moving. I want to thank the founder, Alicia, for inviting us all here to take part in such a great occasion. Like, this is just, it's amazing. The location is beautiful. The scenery is beautiful. The atmosphere has just been set and on fire. I feel like I've reached a new level in my relationship with the Lord. This is something, if you have never experienced or been a part of, this is something you definitely want to make sure that you get the chance to come to. I tell you, you will not leave here the same.